Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use one of most powerful and underrated formula in Excel, the filter function. By the end of this video, you will know how to extract data instantly, create dynamic reports and never use manual filter again. What is the filter function? The filter functions allows you to return only the rows that meet specific condition while keeping the results dynamic. So if your data changes, your filter result changes automatically. Here is the basic syntax. Filter, it takes three arguments, array, include, if empty. Now array is the range what you're going to select, include is the condition, and if empty to show if nothing matches. Now let's try with the s- single condition. Now we have a sales table. We want to filter only the rows where the region is south. So say equal to filter. Now in the array we're going to select the range or the table here. Uh, I'm selecting it from the B4. I'm not including the column name here, comma. Now include is nothing but the condition. We're going to select the range and give the condition here, right? So it is south, comma, if empty. So in case it is not able to return or any data, so what is the output you need? I'll just give it as no match. Okay. Now so we are getting the output here. Whichever is matched, the region is south, it's filtering the data. So to make it as in a table form, I just copy paste the column name here, right? So the next one is where we need to have multiple conditions. So region is south, sales is more than say 5,000. So it's equal to filter. I again select the table. I'm not including the column name here. In include, we're going to select the, or it's nothing but the condition. So again, here the region is equal to south. Now, in order to give an and condition, I like to get an and condition. So you always remember you should enclose it in the round brackets. You want I use a star mark here for an and condition. Again, the sales, I select the range, say greater than 5,000. That's my condition here. So if both the conditions are true, I just give a blank for the third argument for the filter, right? So both are true, it's going to filter the data, right? Which is more than 5,000 as well as it is south. Only two records are there. Again, I copy paste the column name here. This is an and condition. So for an and, we're going to use a star. For an or, we can replace that with the plus. It will take it as an or condition. Any one condition is true, it's going to filter. Either the sales is greater than 5,000 or it is south. Any one is true, it is going to filter the date. Yeah. Now, in both the example, we are in the include part of it, we are giving the criteria in quotes, right? So to make it dynamic, we can use a cell address. For example, in the first example, I've typed it as south, right? So instead of south, I like to give the cell address. So I click on this cell. So what happens is when I change this, it changes automatically. All right. I can sort this too. So how? I've got the filter data. I like to sort. So I use a sort function here. So it's sorting it in an ascending order of it. All right. And that's everything you need to get started with the Excel filter function. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.